Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. In previous class we have discussed solution of problems depend on the direct proportion and inverse proportional. If given quantities are direct proportional, we equalize the ratios, and if given quantities are inverse proportional, we have taken products are equal. Using the ratios are equal, products are equal, we solved in previous classes. Now same type of questions we are going to solve the another method, easy method. Let's take one problem. 48 bags of paddy cost 16,800, then find the cost of 36 bags of paddy. Let's number of bags 48. For 48, the cost of 48 bags how much? 16,800. What is the cost of 36 bags of paddy? Let's compare these two quantities. Here less bags we will get the less price, that means less cost. Here 48 bags cost is 16,800. Then what is the cost of 36 bags? Is more than 16,800 or less than 16,800? It will be less than 16,800. Less than means less value. So to get this value, x equal to less by more. That is less by more. 36 by 48 into 16,800. Very easy comparison of two quantities. Let's see children. At 48 bags, the cost of 48 bags is 60,800. What will be the cost of 36? Less value. So less cost. So less by more. 36 is the less than 48. So less by more. 36 by 48 into 16,800. Now 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 0 0. Then we will get here 0 0, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So the cost of 36 bags of paddy is equal to 12,600. How easy? Very easy. Let's take the another problem. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Let's number of hours in 48 hours can complete the work doing the 15 workers. So here 13 hours, how many workers we required? So here number of hours will be, if we increase the number of hours, then number of workers is the less. If number of hours is decreased, then number of workers will be increased. Dear children, let's compare these two. If a piece of work, if you complete, now let's take a number of workers and number of hours. 15 workers can complete the particular work in 48 hours. How many workers can complete in 30 hours? So if you compare the hours, you are taking the less time. To complete the work in less time, we require the more workers. So to get this value, to complete the less hours, we require the more. So more workers we require. So we will get here more value. So To get this answer, you have to write more by less. More by less. 48 by 30. 48 is more than 30 into 15. Let's see, children. 15 workers can complete a piece of work in 48 hours. To complete the same work in 30 hours, we require more workers. So, more workers means we have to take ratio here more by less. 48 is more than 30 into 15. 15 ones are, 15 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 4s are equal to 24. So, required workers equal to 24. So, 24 workers can complete that particular work in 30 hours. Now, let's discuss the compound proportional. Compound proportional means in given problem maybe exist direct proportional, inverse proportional mixed with them. See one problem, rice costing 480 rupees is needed for 8 members for 20 days. What is the cost of rice required for 12 members for 15 days? Here we have the three quantities. Number one is the cost of rice. Second one, number of members and number of days. In first sentence, 48 rupees cost of rice and number of members are 8 and number of days are 20. And second condition, we require the cost of rice given the number of members is the 12 and number of days is the 15. Dear children, now compare these three quantities. We require the cost of rice quantity. This quantity compare with the number of members and number of days. Let's compare the number of members to cost of rice. When you compare these two quantities, let's number of days quantity will be the constant. So, if your number of days is the constant, if number of members is increased, then cost of rice also will be increased. That means number of members is more, then cost of rice also more. So, in this case, we will get the more by less. Why more by less? Number of members is more, the cost of rice also more. So, more by less. More by less. Next, into compare these two quantities. If you compare these two quantities, when compare these two quantities, you take number of members as constant. Thus, number of members is the constant. If more number of days, we will get the more rice cost, less number of days we will get the less. So, here 12 days cost is 480 rupees. What happened 15 days cost? Less. Because less days will get the less cost. So, for 15 days cost of rice will be less. So, this also will be the less by more. Why I am taking here number of days decreased, then rice also will be decreased. So, less number of days will get the less cost of rice. So, we will get the less by more, 15 by 20 into 480. Now, here 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 0, 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 3s are 15 3s are 45 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 12 4s are 48, 54. So, 54, the cost of rice is required is 540. Dear children, very easy. Then compare take the another problem. In this problem, 10 men can lay a road 75 kilometer long in 5 days. In how many can 15 men lay a road 45 long? So here there are three quantities. Number one, number of men. Second quantity, length of road in kilometers. And number of days. Now we require the number of days quantity. Now compare these two quantities. Compare the number of men to number of days. Let us suppose this is the x. X equal to, now compare these two. When you compare the two quantities, the third quantity take as the constant. So number of men compare with the number of days, then length of road is the constant. If length of road is the constant, if more workers work the more workers, it will be like the less days. Yes or no? Suppose if length of the road is the constant, number of men is more, then number of days will be less. Number of days will be less. So less means we have to take less to more. Less to more. 10 is less than 15. 10 is less than 15. Second one, when you compare the length of road with number of days, you take number of men is the constant. That means number of workers is the same. Then length of road and number of days. If less length of road, then we will get the less days. Yes or no? Here 75 kilometers length of road, 5 days. How long time will we take 45 kilometer of road to lay is the less. So this also less by more. Less by more means 45 by 75 into 5. 15 3s are, 15 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are equal to. So how long time will we take here? 2 days. Required days are, we require 2 days. We required 2 days as per given condition. Now discuss some more problems. Mixed proportion or compound proportion. 24 men working at 8 hours per day can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days can 20 men working at 9 hours per day do the same work? Here we have the three quantities. First quantity is the number of men. Second one, number of hours per day. Number of days to complete the work. And here 24 men and 8 hours 15 days. In second case 20 men 9 hours per day. Number of days we have to find. Let's compare the number of men with number of days. When compare the number of men with the number of days quantities, number of hours per day is the constant. The working hours will be like the constant. If you take the number of hours per day is the constant and take the number of men, if a piece of work to complete number of men is the less, then number of days will be raised, that means more. If number of men 24 to decrease 24 to 20, then number of days will be decreased 15 to how much we are going to get. So number of men is less, then number of days is the more. So number of men is the less, number of days is the more. More means we have to take this ratio more by less. More by less. Then compare these two quantities. When you compare these two quantities, this is the number of men take as the constant. That means number of men is the same. Then number of workers per day is more. Number of hours per day is more. Number of days is less. If working hours per day is more, then number of days will be less. Less means we have to take this ratio less by more. 8 by 9 into 15. And 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, remaining 2 into 8 equal 16 days. How easy, children, to solve this problem? Very easy. Go to the next problem. 175 men can dig a canal 3150 meters long in 36 days. How many men are required to dig a canal 3900 meters long in 24 days? We have the here three quantities: number of men, that means number of workers, and length of the canal in meters, number of days to complete the work. We require the number of men. Now, number of men compare with the length of the canal. When length of canal compare with the number of men, number of days will be constant. Number of days will be constant. So if you dig the canal more meters, we require the more number of workers. To dig the canal more length, we require the more number of workers. More number of workers. So we require here more number of workers. More means we have to take this ratio as more by less. So x equal to more 3900 more than 3150 into, now compare the number of men with the number of days. Take the length of canal is the constant. Here 36 days 750 workers required. Here 24 days, that means the number of days is less. Then what happens? Number of workers more. To complete the work in short time, we require the more workers. More workers. So here more workers we require. So we have to take here more by less. 36 by more 24. 36 is more than 24 into 1750, and 0 0 will be cancelled, and 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24, and here 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, 3 5s are 15, and 3 table, now here 12 3s are 12, 2s are and 3 ones are 0s are 5s are, and 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 5 1s are, then 7 table, 7 5s are 7 3s are, and remaining here 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 0, and 2 table, 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 5s are, remaining how much here? 65 into 5, 65 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32. So we will get here 325 men required. Required men equal to 325. So my dear children, using the shortest method you can solve easily for mixed proportional. So remaining problem practice yourself. Thank you very much watching my video.